Did you ever think that soup could actually be refreshing? Well, this chilled cucumber soup, also known as gazpacho in Spanish, is just that. I'm Dr. Ahmed, a physician who developed food allergies in adulthood, and I like to create recipes that everyone can enjoy. Everyone that I've made this delicious soup for has raved about how wonderfully creamy it is. And I'm gonna show you the ingredient that takes it to the next level. So let's get started. This soup isn't just tasty, it's easy to make, and it'll come together in just 10 minutes. I'm gonna start by chopping 2 tablespoons of chives, and we're gonna be adding all of our ingredients to a blender. I'm going to add 10 mint leaves. Especially for herbs, I do like to use organic because I like to avoid some of those chemicals and pesticides. But I also understand that not everyone has access to organic foods or can afford their expensive price. So what I might suggest is that you buy a vegetable and fruit safe wash and just thoroughly wash your fruits, your vegetables, and any herbs to remove anything that you don't want in your food. Next, we're going to add 1 scallion. Now, for those of you who are following a low FODMAP, you'll want to just use the green part and avoid the white. But for now, I'm going to rough chop this and add the whole thing to the soup. Next, I have 1 small garlic clove. If you're following a FODMAP diet, you might consider replacing the olive oil that we're going to use with my garlic infused olive oil. I've included the link to that recipe in the description below. And now for our main ingredient. This is a seedless cucumber. If you're doing it by weight, about 400 grams or 14 ounces. Cucumbers are refreshing for a reason. They're mostly water, so they're really hydrating. And if you're trying to lose weight, they'll keep you full with a minimal number of calories. The peel contains a lot of nutrients and benefits, such as cucurbitacin, which is a compound that's currently being studied for its anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory benefits. However, it does have a slightly bitter taste. For our soup, we want a very mild flavor, so I'm removing it. But you certainly don't have to if you don't want to. I'm just gonna cut the cucumber into smaller pieces so that it fits into our blender cup. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and half a teaspoon of salt. So now I'm just gonna blend this up till it's nice and smooth. Next is the ingredient that gives this soup its delicious creaminess: avocado. You don't have to use avocado if you don't want to. Let's say you're trying to add a little more protein to the soup. You might consider adding some non-fat Greek yogurt. For those of you doing low FODMAP, the amount of avocado that we're adding to this recipe is generally okay. I like to use 3 ounces of avocado. I'm gonna use my kitchen scale and just add it directly to the blender cup. 3 ounces. So if you're eyeballing it, that's about 3/4 of a small avocado. Now we're just gonna blend it up again. There you go. This is our delicious gazpacho. Now you can have it immediately, but usually I prefer to chill it for 2 hours, and that's what I'm gonna do. And then we'll serve it up. Now here we have this delicious chilled cucumber soup or gazpacho that I've had in the fridge for a couple of hours. It looks so good. I cannot wait to try it. I can imagine enjoying this on a nice warm summer day when you just feel like having something light. It's creamy, it's light, and you get that delicious balance of herbs. I cannot wait to finish this entire bowl. I do hope you'll try it, share it with others. I look forward to hearing how you and they enjoyed it. Because remember, there's room for everyone at the table, and I thank you for joining me. How many doctors does it take to screw on a blade? Take 3, but really, take 3,542, but I nailed it. All right. Woo! Nailed it.